We're live. We're live. Minute till market opens here. Having a bit of a bear flag breakout again. Bull. Why am I switching those every time? That's a bull flag. Golly. Been doing that like just for way too long. Oh, look at this. Bull flag. And I say it correctly, trying to be wrong. What's just going on? Oh, golly. Market opens. Previous weekly high. We already took previous weekly high. Oh, no, we haven't actually. No, we have not actually. Actually haven't, darling. Actually, darling, we haven't. Right. Letting low. Previous weekly high, right above. The 557s is a pretty decent area. We could find some target. 560s area, about the 560s. Excuse me. There's some liquidity up at 560, no doubt about it. Getting a pullback towards the VWAP now. Asia low here. Sylvain. Good morning, brother. Happy to see you here, buddy. Let's make some money. Markets being pretty bullish. Still had that strong reaction from yesterday. It carried through. A little bit of selling overnight to push through this dip. London low. We have a previous weekly high up at the 60s. About 60 points from where we're at. Opening print price. The 504. So about the 500. London low. Getting a pull towards the VWAP will be pretty indicative. We have this upper high here at the 560s that we really want to target. Just gotta find a time where it makes sense. You're gonna pass those. You're gonna validate those accounts, Sylvain. You're gonna validate those accounts, my boy. Passing those today. I feel it. Today's the day. Strong reaction. Still just kind of going sideways. Still right here. Opening print price. Great day for making money, Sylvain. It's an absolutely great day to make some money, my boy. We're going to try to be long off the VWAP here. At least as of right now. As of right now, we're looking to be long off the VWAP, which would be kind of this overnight session here as well. We have a nice little bottom here. That would be interesting to see it break. Excuse me. I'm gonna validate those accounts, Sylvain. Strong reaction. I say that, but we're only 20 points off of opening print price. Let's be patient here. Market's not really going anywhere as of right now. As of right now, we're not really going anywhere. How'd your accounts go yesterday, Sylvain? Very sideways first 5 minutes here. Finding a little bit of reaction on the VWAP or the EMA here. We're looking for a fill at the VWAP. Yeah. W, Sylvain. Love it, buddy. Great job. Great job, Sylvain. Patience is the way, buddy. Slowly but surely we'll make it. No news today. Are you serious? Is FOMC today? FOMC today, so we're probably just going to be going sideways, boys. FOMC makes the conditions slow. FOMC is going to change this all up on us. Heck yeah, Sylvain. Caution. Patience. We gotta be cautious. We gotta be patient. That was the VWAP touch. It's claiming. It's claiming that was the VWAP touch there. Sorry, I keep yawning in front of you. I apologize. And the 530s here. No, we're going to previous day week high right now. Previous week high just achieved. So far. I'm going for a bid here, Sylvain. Quick stab into the 36s would give us a fill here. Trying the 41s now. I don't really love this, Sylvain. We're a little early, still within the first 15 minutes, but we're going to take a stab. Looking for a fill at the 41s. Long full size from 5'2", 750. Timothy the Man. Long full size from the 27s. Yeah, good shit, buddy. I'm hoping to catch in with you on this. Wanting to get filled to 41s here on this little pullback. Looking for a fill at the 41s. Definitely a little. You're from the 27s. What are you targeting, T-Nads? What are you targeting, sir? Give us a fill. Come on, Nazi. Order filled. Please say that to me.
Order filled.
Thank you. Now we're going to see the EMA hold here. Now that we're in this move, we got to see the EMA hold. Let's see this EMA hold here. Not liking that we are rejecting the 560s again. Right now my target is the 660. Yeah. I mean, I like the bullish reaction. I like the target. I want to go up too. Right now we're going to see this EMA hold, or else I might be in pain zone. We're battling. We're at a battle price. We're at a battle price. Got to see some support here by the buyers. Struggling to find it. Struggling to find it. We got to get back on this EMA. I wanted to see just a little fill in there and then move, but we're already getting the reaction lower. No bueno. It's no bueno. First 15 minutes is now in. Let me get this drawn real fast for us. So first 15 minutes. There's another quad top there. It just seems so unlikely. Seems so unlikely, yet that's what we're getting. We're going the other way. We needed to explode through the 60s. We did, and we did not get it, Thomas. We did, and we did not get it. We went right back through. We're buying the outside edge of this. I want to buy the outside edge of this. Bottom of the 15-minute range. VWAP. This feels not good. See what happens here. That 175 is something. We're going to try to go for a little fill here at the 90s. Give us a fill at the 90s and then give us a bounce. It's maybe no bueno. It's maybe no bueno here. May just keep getting a rip through. Hoping to see this VWAP be supported here. What's up, Twister? It's been a while, buddy. How you doing? Happy to see you here hanging out. We're trying to see this VWAP be held. We actually need more than the 15. We would need back up towards this price here. Back towards this EMA. See the VWAP get some support. See VWAP get some support here. It's fine. It's kind of being a little dead action on us. It's already lower into that range than I wanted to see here. I think we're cooked. I think we're cooked here. Good morning, Little Twister. Hope you're doing well, buddy. We're already spent through some, just no luck. Just no good trading on our part there. FOMC day. Everything's gonna be lower probability as is. FOMC day. Be patient. Be cautious. We just took 2 stabs at it. Couldn't get on the right side of it either time. It's frustrating. It is pain. London low down here. We're trying to hold this VWAP still. Finding a little bit of volume drop. Over Asia low we just got into. Finding some selling now after going into previous week high. Excuse me. Took out previous week high with this wick here, and now we're moving right back in to this ugly range. See what happens. I don't really believe it. Let's just say it like that. I don't believe it. No, I don't believe it. I think we're going to go back up here now. Suppose that wasn't really the best play, trying to buy that bottom. Or VWAP, trying to predict the bottom, I suppose. I don't know why we still have life here. I don't know why we still have life here, but we're going to use it. Doing all right, bro. You blew through accounts is so normal. Don't worry about it. It happens to literally all of us and the best of us. You're still the man, Twister. Don't worry. And the descent is crazy, huh, Sylvain? We tried it. We were gonna take a short here too, but I ended up doubting myself. We're trying to get this last little liquidity out here, and then we're gonna reset these. Hey, 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 hey. Music going hard. Give us a fill. Give us a fill. Move away, Ramon. What'd you do? Now he's gonna pull it back all back together again. Straight pain, huh, Sylvain? Straight pain today. Reset. 3718. Hey. Now I feel like we'll just be sideways. Now I feel like we're just going to be going sideways. Trying to reset these accounts for us real quick, boys. We took previous weekly high with that last push there just by a couple ticks and then just immediately pushed back in. So every seller that was there obviously got loaded and filled. Pushed back towards this VWAP. Now I'm kind of not expecting too much until we get a little bit more basing and then more. I mean, we have FOMC today too, so pretty much everything is going to be a little bit more patient needing. We need everything to be a little bit more patient, and I just messed up. Hey, liking the music, having good energy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make some money, boys. Let's make some money. Right now we're kind of just going sideways. After reclaiming through VWAP, we pushed previous weekly high, came back down. Now we're just kind of basing. I wouldn't mind this for an attempt. We'll keep pushing a little lower though, I think. Here we go. Getting a move now. Getting a push a little lower here. Out of the 15-minute range with some extension now. Decent little bottom reaction. Decent little reaction there. Want to see this kind of reclaim VWAP if we're looking for the continuation here on the hourly. After printing 2 dojis, we swept the previous weekly high, and now we're kind of just basing back towards this breakout candle for the hourly. So we're still inside of this range. Obvious low that we could be looking at is this overnight low, or London low, I mean, at 406, around the 400 area. Right now, though, we're just kind of hanging out. If we can't get below this price again, could be a sign of continuation in the other direction. Got a strong pop, sold into it, pop back into this range, retesting the previous low. If we find some support here, it could break up. If not, we're going to break back probably to this low and then possibly to London low. As you can see, they're kind of trying to hold this bottom again. I love when you get the reset for the accounts, but the one just takes forever because Topstep's fucking thing is just so slow. Starting to find a little bit of a base here, though. Like I said, if we can defend this bottom, we have a chance to push back up. I'd be trying this right now for a price at the 470s. Look for a fill. God. I'd be looking for a fill right here for a long if I could. I'm trying to get this account reset. And it's not going to let me. Cool. Kind of what I'd be looking at. Long Sylvain. Long. Always long. Actually, not always. Just right now, looking for long. We're going to see this bottom hold. Otherwise, we could be getting pushed back towards this price. And then look for the long Sylvain. But if we continue to hold in this area, I would be comfortable to take like a long off these 70s. Looking for a break up. I'd be looking for a long fill off these 70s. Would have just got filled. Would have just got filled. Kind of looking like we're going to find some extension lower, though, from here. Wow. Reset. Sorry about that. Jeez. Apologize. He's got a little pollen or something there. Making me all reactive. Thank you. Jeez. Had to blow my nose, but we're back. Feeling rejuvenated, alive, if you will. Got this account to finally go ahead and reset for us. So we're back, loaded up. Like nothing left, like nothing even happened, you know. I've got the impression that he's going to look for the 21375 before buying again. Why? I like that. Why are you looking that low? Why are you looking down here, Sylvain? It might just be in our best favor, Sylvain, to be patient till FOMC, but I mean, we have a he probably needs to go to the cash point to regain his strength. Okay. Okay. I like that, Sylvain. The reason I can't be too bullish yet is because we're still trapped below the VWAP here. I'm long from the 475s. I like that. I really do. I'm thinking about taking a long here too. I'm just trying to find the spot. Off this trend line is not a bad buy. Finding some support, push back in this range. I like that. Compressing below this EMA slightly, but nothing to be too afraid of. I like that twister a lot. I was kind of eyeing the same thing. I wanted to see this previous bottom here hold at the 70s, and we're kind of still supporting it. If we can get back to the VWAP, it'd be a very nice spot. I like that. I like that long, buddy. I'm still eyeing it too. Now to the top of the range. This is going to be a big spot to hold. I'm going to also try to buy here. Try to get a fill at the 74s. I'm going to be a little low. If we get filled, it'd be interesting. Alright. Now we got to see this hold here. Got to see this push back towards the top of this range. We're actually targeting VWAP here. VWAP would be passed for us. Back to the bottom of this range would be a no bueno. To the bottom of the range. No bueno for us, boys. Really wanted to see that be supported there. I might actually, this is going to be interesting. I might reverse if we get back to this VWAP or this EMA price before stopping us. All right. We might be going lower now. We finally broke to the other side of it. I'm going the other side, buddy. I'm going the other side, buddy. I'm going the other side. Quick scalp, same thing. Give me a fill. We're poking. We're playing a lot right now. We're comfortable. We're okay. Thing is, we're starting to find some support, so now I feel like we're going to be cooked. We're going to wait. Check out this hourly. 10-11. I feel like we could be at the low of the day here. I still think long, Twister. I think you're right about the long. I just think we didn't time it correctly here. Don't need this in here at the moment. Look how sideways this price action is anyway. Should be buying and selling these range. So, yeah. Going sideways, condensing below the VWAP for the moment. Pushing back towards this range here. I just want 8 points. I'm stuck. Sorry, buddy. I am sorry. I think we're going to get a little return down. Trying this candle, this Wicks candle again. Excuse me. Just barcoding this range here. Almost back to your price there, Twister. So you're looking for 83. So you're looking for the top of the range. Top of the range is very reasonable. We should be able to fire that. I like the trade. 75 to the 83. Very barcodey right now. Very sideways. Sylvain. We're in the pain house over here, Sylvain. We're in the pain cave, buddy. Sideways. Absolutely sideways. If I took a short at the VWAP, right, 85, we would need 26. So we'd actually need 69, which would be the other side of... Actually... No, we would need 60. 70, yeah, bleh, 60. So yeah, we need the bottom of this range entirely. Not sure about that. We're just going completely sideways, boys. This is crazy. Buying, selling, very matched. Again, everyone's going to be pretty patient for FOMC. Of course, I'm not going to be patient. No. Oh, you thought I was going to wait for FOMC meeting for the talk and the meeting? No. We like to make money here. We like to participate. We like to gamble. We like to try. We like to make money. Oh, no. Lights all blurry. Well, Twister, you're still in this trade if you are. We're just going, I mean, you're experiencing it right now, buddy. Just sideways. Just sideways. We already tried to range this thing. Couldn't get it. Push from the sellers. Another one. Trying this bottom again here. I think the buyers are officially starting to wait. We're just inching down lower here. Literally inching. Into where is the question? Previous day high. That was back at VWAP. Maybe the 414s. I wouldn't love us having to go all the way down there, but we definitely could. Still trying to hold this bottom so far. And slapped by the sellers. Just slapped by the sellers. This thing is just like falling by points. Just so minor. Oh my god. Kissed your entry and then died again. Yeah, you're the line in the sand right now, buddy. You're the line in the sand right now, Twister. Everyone's above or below. That 75, big price, battle price, right in the middle of this range. I think we're going to get a sweep of this 252 level, or this 452 level. And then from there, we might get a reaction. Sweep the bottomly hourly bottomly candle here. Sweep the bottom of this hourly candle. Thank you. Thank you. Proper English. Very sideways, very condensed. Interesting, interesting. Condensing below the EMA right now. Gonna go back up here for our boy Twister. Reclaiming the VMA would be good. This is just ew. Look at this. Ew. This, and then ew. One little flush here. Trying to see if we can get below this hourly bottom like we mentioned. It's not looking crazy at the moment. I want to see us just barely sweep and push right back up. Help our boy Twister out. Find some bids. Get the longs attracted to the price. Our man Sylvain thinks we could go see the 375. So that's down here. I think more likely to be the 400s just to get a... and there's this pull. Unlucky trade, Sir Twister. Unlucky right there, buddy. This price action is just truly unideal. Only 600 though. It's not too bad. I mean, decent risk management. Depending on so what, you went 75 stop loss here at the 50s, so 424. Does that mean you made $424, Sylvain, or you're looking for the 424 as a trade? Strong move by the buyers here. Brutal to be stopped out by that Twister. Condensing below the EMA probably isn't the best buy. Want this previous range to hold and fill. We're looking for a fill at the 53s. Looking for a fill at the 53s for a long. Getting a pop now. These 63s could be the spot that it moves from. We're still looking for a fill. Might not get that price. Maybe some closer to like this. Looking for something like this. Little dip. Potentially our last trade of the day, boys. Let's find out what happens here. Let's get a fill. EMA is acting at the 63 like we were kind of thinking it could. Lots of touch points. Here we go. Oh. Oh. You really gonna... Are you really gonna... Oh. Boys, not like this. Not like this, boys. Not like this, boys. $68.50. Are we gonna get the fill here? Come give us that taparoo. EMA still holding here. I like the long again twister. I really do. I'm trying to find a spot to get in with you. I just got missed by a literal tiny piece there. Still looking for a fill here. We're right there. Now I feel like we're in danger. Now I feel as though we're in danger. I feel like that first move was the move, and now we may be in trouble here. Yeah, I just can't get on the right side of it today, boys. Bummer. Just couldn't get on the right side of it today. We're right there. We're right there. It's just not... I mean, check it out. I'm finally here, he said, brother. Well, I blew a set of account sauce, and then I reset. And now these ones are blown too. FOMC today, so market conditions have been a little stale. We had this big pump in the morning, big sell-off, and then just completely sideways, which has ended up chopping us and chopping our dollars down. We just lost a trade on trying to get long on this pullback. And now we're just kind of hanging out. I think I don't have anything actually, but for some reason it didn't bust us. So we're going to look for a fill, and that's going to be that. I agree here. And that is going to be that. Take it home, he said. Oh, buddy, we're in the zone right now. I mean, we're in the cooked zone right now. I'll tell you what, selling volumes, take a little break ski and try again. Oh, well, that's the plan, sir. We're going to take the day and do it again tomorrow, depending on how this goes. I think we're already cooked, though. I'm just trying to see if we can get a little tap filled before it moves. You want to see me take a short? Because clearly the shorts are in control right now. Did the Nads bust or? The Nads? What are the Nads doing? What is the Nads doing anyway? We can't go up, then we join them going down. We may not get a fill here, but this is what we're looking at. Down 2K, Thomas said. It's choppy. Very choppy, weird price action. We're probably cooked right here. Yeah, boys. That's going to do it. That is going to do it for the day for us. 2 sets. We tried. Just couldn't get on the right side of it. Just couldn't get on the right side of it today. And that is okay. Because what we do is we pick ourselves back up. We come back tomorrow and we do it all over again. Something like that. To be completely honest, boys, we probably should be patient. I mean, we know FOMC is coming at 2 o'clock. We know that's going to have high impact. We know most high time frame participants are going to be patient and kind of waiting to see what that looks like. We realistically know market conditions are going to be at least slow getting there. More likely just kind of this and choppy barcode-y, whiplashy type of stuff. So just be careful. Yeah, just have some caution. I'm going to get out of here a little bit early today. I got some stuff to do. But I love and appreciate you guys. I love hanging out every day. It's having a blast. Either losing money or making money together. Eventually, we'll start making money together. I know it. It's that simple. Time plays out. But hit like if you guys haven't. Subscribe if you're not. And tomorrow, 9:30, we will be doing it again. All right, for real. Good luck today, guys. Be careful. And yeah, let's hope FOMC is good for everybody in the market. Find some new highs. I'm hoping for. We just broke previous weekly highs, so that was a bit of a teaser. But yeah, this here is not what we want to be participating in. So even though I did twice. All right, peace, y'all. Have a good day and drink some water.